Today we are going to make interfacing 7-segment display with Arduino project. Here we require one 7-segment display, 220 ohm resistor, breadboard, Arduino Uno board and a USB cable. This is a 7-segment display. So first of all, place the 7-segment display on the board in this way. The dot should be in this side. So here, first of all, if we see the 7-segment display, this is pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Pin 3 and pin 8 are the common terminals. Now connect pin 1, that is the E pin, to pin 6 of the Arduino board. Then pin 2, the D pin, to pin 5 of the Arduino board. The next is the fourth number pin, which is pin C of the LCD, to pin 4 of the Arduino board. Then we don't have to connect pin 5. Then next we will connect pin 6, that is pin B of the LCD, to pin 3 of the Arduino. Pin 7, that is the pin A of the LCD, to pin 2 of the Arduino. And then pin 9, that is pin F, to pin 7 of the Arduino board. And lastly pin 10, that is G pin, to pin 8 of the Arduino. Now take the 220 ohm resistor, connect it one terminal to pin 3, that is the common point of the 7-segment display, and connect the other terminal to the negative line of the breadboard, and take a wire and connect the negative line of the breadboard to the ground pin of the Arduino. Our connections are done. Now we will do the coding.
Coding for interfacing 7-segment display. Open the Arduino IDE software. The 7-segment display pins are connected to pin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pin on of the Arduino. So we will create variables for each pin. The variables will be named from as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and each pin will be assigned to a particular variable. So let us first create the variables. Now in the setup, declare all this pin as output. So for that, type pin mode and assign pin A as output. Similarly, do it for the other pins. And then type serial dot begin and give the baud rate as 9600. Now in the void loop, first we will print 0. So to print 0 on the 7-segment display, first of all type serial dot print and inside the bracket give inverted commas, then 0 and again inverted comma. So this line is for printing the 0 on the serial monitor. You can type serial.print/n And to display the 0 on the 7-segment display, we only have to make pin G low and rest all the pins will be high. So for that type digital write A high copy the code now give a delay of 1000 milliseconds. Now we will do the coding to print 1 on the 7-segment display. So first change the 0 to 1 in serial.print, and to print 1 we have to make variables B and C high and rest all the pins will be low. Similarly, you can do the coding to print 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 on the 7-segment display. That click on verify to verify your code, and from tools select the Arduino Uno board and the required COM port, and then click on upload to upload the code on the Arduino board. The coding can be done in this way.
The output of the 7-segment display, as you can see, the numbers are displaying from 0 to 9.